not a usual day. Today is Toyota way. Invincible like Arsenal in 2004. Problem is timing chain rattle on cold start. It's 2023 car, 100,000 on the clock. But we know the problem why this is happening. Only me know and Michael Jackson. Let us know in the comments if somebody else knows. We will share that in 24 hours after video posted. I think strip front part of the engine, top, intercooler, rocker cover, front cover, couple pipes. Like an O-ring for a front cover.
Okay, cool. That's fine. Anything else that you...
Rocker cover gaskets,
Rocker cover
chain,
gasket.
complete set.
Chain comes with a sprocket, so...
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
Since I come back from injury, start of the spring, I worked on the many cars. So that many chains I done, most of them German cars, Land Rovers. And it's the first Toyota this year, first Japanese car. Okay, solid axle, metal. The invincible car, man. When you're doing chain, you don't need to remove some. Very clever. Okay, now drain oil, yeah? Toyota Hilux, high and luxury. No luxury like tractor. First, intercooler off. Check filters. Toyota drivers, you see? Take care of the car. Finally, good cars. Take off this tank.
Are they hard to work on?
I tell you like this, it's no more difficult than Kurva BMW. Fuel return line. There's no any plastic clips or something, just simple bolt. Technology. Only thing I don't like about them is the high car. I can't reach it. Finally we see engine. Now time for injectors to take out. We need them new, them washers. We need to ask Prince to order. Them ones. It's a washer, top and bottom,
okay.
and both is going.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, injector washers special. The cone type. Cover caps for the rail, so no rubbish in the diesel system. And same we will cover the injectors. Ready for rocker cover. Removing. It wasn't that hard, I don't know how much we spent. 30-40 minutes. Doing first time. Again, make sure people don't mess up. Middle bolts, you see, where the injector supports. Oh, the bolt's done, man. Can't be the sensor, I don't believe. Fucking sensor. Imagine. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Nothing to worry. Next, I need to take front bits off. One tank, second tank, fan. MAF sensor. this long wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Invincible. Them cam bolts, they left hand thread opposite. So you loosen them this way. You compare to Ranger.
Oh, Ranger's much easier.
Why?
I haven't got to take any of that top stuff.
Ah, but you need to strip the suspension.
Yeah.
This one you don't touch.
No.
You don't need to take sample. Water pump pulley. Water flange. I tell Prince to get the gasket for it. This gasket we need. I need to move power steering as well. Just for one bolt. That's why we moved this power steering. This bolt was covered. Now would be very good to take off this pulley. Oh, I don't know. You have the really shallow
They're
ones.
not very deep at all.
Yeah, I can fit. You got 22?
Yeah.
Radiator out. Or put the bar and with the starter motor.
Technology!
Why use manpower, kurwa? Use starter power. We have limited space here. Crank bolt is very tight. So what we done? Put the bar, leave it like tight in the frame. Starter motor, bolt done itself. Not a single starter damaged in my life like this. Work smart, not hard, man. Thermostat. Okay, basically it's just the cover left. On this side it's got that AdBlue pump, on this side aircon, and bolts like this. I don't know if it's enough to undo them bolts, or you need to move the brackets. Shule. Actually, this is very interesting project, yeah? This Hilux. Something not regular shit. Заебали, блядь, N47. Thing is, it's not popular in UK. Everyone buy Ranger. You can buy 3 Rangers for price of the Hilux. That's why it's not popular. AdBlue pump has to come out. Bracket is covering front timing cover. This bracket. Aircon has to move on the side. You don't need to take completely some, but just from the bottom. Okay, 4 bolts. We just move it out of the way. Aircon moved. Timing cover is getting off now. This one. Just starting, you know. On cold start, maybe 1-2 seconds. Rattle, and that's it. Now I need to turn a little bit engine. Yeah, it's on TDC. Okay, time to take chain off. Top one, rail. You see, tensioner is out. Quite a lot as well. Got our timing marks. Orange links for cams. This one is for pulley. Top chain is off. Now the bottom. Squirter. Micro surgery. Come on. Please don't fall, kurwa. I need to mark myself, but I can't see marks. You see, another thing about Japanese, yeah? Crankshaft sprocket is separate. If you buy Audi, buy BMW, they're not replaceable. You have to buy new crank if your sprocket is worn. Let's say Audi, yeah? V6 diesel, crank 2000 pounds. How much the sprocket? 50 pound maximum. We need this gasket, yeah? We spoke to Prince about this. Very important to change this. You don't want coolant in the oil. 2-3 millimeters. Top one more. Clean the covers now. Prepare for fitting. Two links on the crank, 2 dots. On this one, 1 dot on the golden link. Now just need to put them guides. This gasket. Bottom chain in. Just need to tight every bolt. Now top one. Bottom on the mark. So now need to put guides. Bottom one is oil pressure operated. This one is ratcheting type. It doesn't go forward and back. It just chain stretch little bit, pops out, pops out, pops out. This one is better design. Top chain marks is here on the cams. Power link. 2 marks. And here as well have dot and golden link. Everything lined up. Just need to fit last gear for pump and torque every bolt. Tensioners was 10 newtons, guides we setting to 21. Now would be nice, Vlad, if you hold for me cam. 81 for cam sprocket. Vlad. Sit cams tight. Timing is done. I go home.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, our fans. Day number 2. Parts have arrived. Toyota Lexus stuff. We are about to fit the front cover now. And you see, Japanese crank seals have a spring, minimize the possible leak. Toyota keeps the old technology and it works perfect. How it was marked. Say exactly. Gear. Strange bolts, isn't it? Little bit strange shape. Pulley. Okay, one side is done. Fit back this bracket and pump. think it's time for tensioner. I need to remember how it was. Alternator up to the idler, goes around, and that's it. Then there is a second belt here, which we need to sort out. Look what, even this rocker cover. After 100,000, look how soft the rubber is. Even if I fit back the old one, it won't leak. Remember, they were different, yeah? Them ones. Where injector sitting. Now just all around. Toyota. And now I think it's time for fun. FPV is going in. I think we need to lift the car, check the underneath. I don't wanna mess anything. So this one is in place. Drone is fitted. Toyota almost ready to fly. Okay, this tank. All of the front is fitted. All that's left is injectors now. So new washers came, and we're fitting injectors now with the new washers. Injectors are in. If I remember correctly, I think it's time for a turn. New washers from Toyota. Okay, now we're doing oil filter. Location is shit, but what can you do? Maybe this tool will work? No? Bleeding nipple. The first Japanese car in this collection. Everything looks so far dry. Okay, now Toyota is done. Mount the machine gun on the back, send it 2-3 years in Ukraine and forget it.